first. We're gonna hit all that. Good. So we got going on. Test fit the wheels. Well, you know we got some new wheels for the wheel test those. Suspension on there. It'll paint the firewall. They about to do that. All that's primed out. Just pull out the paint booth. Let me get some air right quick. That's going orange. Orange, that's already painted. Let them kind of bake a little bit. Paint that orange too. So yeah, stay tuned. Check out this beautiful suspension. Head back on the frame. Got a brand new body bushes like coming down. Checking for clearances. Looking for 86.2 LS, Whipple Supercharger going on top of course. QA1 full suspension. Wegner Pully system about to go on next. We're gonna drop it down and see what we got. Getting close, y'all. Getting close. Big brakes on. QA1 suspension. Supercharged. Alright, we got the hangover out the shop, y'all. See y'all, check it out what y'all think, man. Off the frame, QA1, Wilwood Brakes, Moser 9-inch, Whipple Supercharger, 22-inch Rucci's. All brand new underneath and the inside. What y'all think, y'all? What y'all think? Y'all see this at the stoplight, y'all wouldn't think nothing of it. Show y'all what the inside look like. Look at that. Oh, it's coming together. You got the seat, dash, sun visors. Oh, you know we got to be Dakota digital dash and that thing. That's the brand new RTX. Right there in the AC, of course. But close it up. That's what it look like. All we got to do now is put some mirrors on it, clean it, pressure wash it, put the bed in it. Yeah, you know we got to put the wood floor in, but check the hangover out. It's coming together. But he want to run the hangover truck. Oh! So it's just a shop trash truck. Yeah. Yeah, because he got a rusty toolbox. He think, you know what I mean, we traveling. That's a traveling truck. Right? That's a round town traveling truck. That's all. I done seen it around town plenty of times. Work truck. With the Duramax breakdown, this one go to work. Yeah, with the tires y'all level the power up?
No, no.
Oh, okay.
Hey, they already been down here saying something. I got to give them the back tire.
I want to see.
I'm on the slick.
I want something to hood though. You show everybody what's up there? Let's see what we get, Gino. You done call a hangover truck out. Oh, look at that. What you got going on?
Driveway built.
A driveway built. You got Holley parts. You got Holley parts. See, I didn't see them when it was cleaned up. I ain't never gonna see them.
It's clean.
Yeah.
I ain't see when it was cleaned up. What you say, Shane? What you say, bro? What y'all gonna do? What's the hard time? I mean, this one he just goes to pick the trash up and stuff. In the work truck, he was delivering glass. He had a glass delivery.
What he give him? What he give him?
What
What he giving him? We on a hard time, big rim.
I ain't giving up nothing. I heard this thing get off the trailer.
Huh? V6 with big block heads.
Yeah.
V6 with big block heads.
You can trust in the baby.
Yeah, we tried.
Damn right you can trust in the baby.
I ain't scared of a ring.
Damn right. You definitely tried it. I'm a cat, Jason might try it.
Yeah.